Hey, today we're going to be smashing this thing because I feel like it. Okay, yeah. Let's get right into smacking it. Oh yeah. My aim is the best. Left-handed aim. You know what, frick left hand. It's right hand time. Die! Piece of plastic. Stupid piece of crap. You know what? I'm just gonna. What the? Did anything break? Oh yeah, I lost the leg. Where'd the leg go? The leg is dead. Where'd it go? There's something under there. The leg went flying. I have no idea where though. Oh, here it is. The leg. You know what? I'm gonna smack it with a hammer now. Let's do this side. Ow, it hurt. Oh, something went flying. This thing won't die. I said die. Whoa! Cracked open. Look at the inside. The mechanics. Die, 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 die. What the heck is this? Look at this thing. Look at that. Break everything. Ooh, this thing came out. Metal. Die. That's pretty much it. It's not gonna break anymore. Got smacked. Pieces everywhere. Something flew back over there. The thing over there. And of course, got the leg. Yeah, thanks for watching me smash this piece of crap.